Good day, everyone, and welcome to our video. And we're going to continue our discussion all about multiplication by skip counting 6 to 10. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a continuation of it. And as you can see, that the expression of our addition here, okay, forms a triangular pattern just like the last one. And sorry for the long delay, it's because I have been busy for how many months and discovering myself alone to consider this beautiful concepts in mathematics. And as you can see, okay, back to our discussion that the expression in the right hand side, this addition form, these expressions forms a triangular pattern, and it is significant to us that this addition expressed in the triangular pattern are also expressed in multiplication. So how many times does itself adding by itself is also how many times you're going to multiply by itself. No, no, no. My bad. How many times you're going to add itself is just equivalent of itself times the number of times you're going to add by itself. So if you have, let's say, 7 plus 7, so you have two sevens. It is 2 times 7, so that is the multiplication expressed as how many times you're going to add itself. How many times you're going to add by itself. So that is okay. Am I right? Yeah, am I right? So this structure here is simple, okay? And these are basics, you know. So if we can't multiply, or if we don't know how to multiply the basic ones, we cannot also multiply the higher ones, okay? And these are crucial to us since this is also the concept that is part of our lives, the counting methods, right? So, the fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, are very crucial to us. So, if we are know how to count, we are also how to operate these operations that is been given to us by our teachers. Okay, so these concepts are significant and dynamic. It changes every time. So, so perhaps if we're going to, uh, if the teacher give to us a larger numbers, that let's say 3-digit numbers, so we know how to multiply it because we know how the basic ones, right? We know how the basic one works. So if we know the foundation, then we know how to multiply higher orders, okay, like factoring or polynomial expressions. No, so as you can see that I have also uh, um, put a zero at the left corner. This one. It's because if I'm going to remove that, it becomes a So we're going to assume that uh, there is a zero there, and and this one is just the same. So if we're going to add zeros now at the left corner, then it's just the same to multiply. It's just the same result. Okay, so no other no other confusion there. Okay, so don't be confused if I'm going to add zero there. So this works, and by the next episode that we're going to talk about, we are going to delve within these numbers. Okay, we'll delve into this multiplication patterns um, by uh, multiplying numbers vertically and horizontally. So I'm just giving this to you so that we I we can assess ourselves by multiplying the numbers. It could be in a horizontal one, in horizontal orientation, or in a vertical orientation, so that by the next time, okay, we are going to talk about multiplying or operating these operations, then we are, you know, master ourselves how to count, how to multiply, and how to divide. And this multiplication of numbers, I've also seen that many students are having difficulty in multiplying numbers. So I'm just giving this to you, and it can be expressed in an addition form. So that is the right hand side. So when we're going to explain it to our students, okay, if you're a teacher or if you're a parent, if you're an adult, or if you know, okay, to uh, to 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 use these methods. So at the left hand side here, like the one that I have been scrolling or like pointing, are the numbers that is the product or the result. This one are the factors, and this one are the expressions in addition form. So they can express in an addition form. So by our parts of multiplication, as you know, I don't know if it was introduced last time, that the product is equal to its multiplicand times the multiplier. The multiplier multiplies, operates the uh, the multiplicand, and the multiplicand is just the base. Okay, it's just the base. So the multiplier is the ones that are expressed in the right side. So how many times do you add yourself by that number? So for example, we have 6 plus 6. So the multiplicand here is the 6. Okay? But the multiplier, how many times do you add yourself? That is 2. So there's 6. The 6 multiplicand times 0, 2 or 2. So that is equivalent to 12. So that is how are we going to explain it, okay? Explain it mathematically, the process of addition, of multiplication of numbers, by expressing it in terms of their parts and the addition form. So the next time we're going to discuss this, we are going to multiply. We are going to operate it using horizontal and vertical orientation. Okay, so I hope that we will see you in the next one, and also I'm going to provide a video for addition and subtraction. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this, uh, if you're if you like this video, then uh, thumbs up. And if also, if you're going, not if you're going, if you are interested in this video, so you can subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.